Defining activities is critical in project management because it establishes the groundwork for successful project execution. Project managers have the capacity to allocate, schedule, and track work more efficiently by breaking down project deliverables into manageable tasks. This lecture seeks to offer a thorough knowledge of the notion of project activity definition. We will highlight the critical role that this process plays in project planning and execution by analyzing its definition, significance, and crucial factors. To begin our journey of understanding project management activities, we must first distinguish between activities and deliverables. While deliverables are the result of a project, activities are the exact tasks necessary to achieve those deliverables. Project teams can identify and explain the processes required to accomplish project goals by defining activities. Defining activities is the process of identifying and documenting the specific actions to be performed to produce the project deliverables. The key benefit of this process is that it decomposes work packages into scheduled activities that provide a basis for estimating, scheduling, executing, monitoring, and controlling the project work. This process is performed throughout the project. This process aids in clarity and scope. Defining activities ensures that everyone understands what has to be done, minimizing uncertainty and supporting successful project planning. Activities aid in determining the required resources, such as human capital, equipment, and materials, allowing for effective resource allocation and management. Task sequencing. Project managers may discover the most effective order for performing tasks, minimizing delays and bottlenecks by creating logical connections between activities. Time estimation. Defining activities allows project managers to build realistic plans and timeframes by accurately estimating activity durations. Risk identification. Potential risks and dependencies become more visible when deliverables are broken down into activities, allowing for proactive risk management and mitigation techniques. This process is derived from various components of the project management, and to successfully identify activities, project managers must consider many critical factors. Work breakdown structure. The foundation for identifying activities is a work breakdown structure. It entails breaking down project deliverables into smaller, more manageable components, providing for a thorough understanding of the project scope. Activity sequencing. The process of creating logical linkages and interdependence between tasks is known as activity sequencing. Project managers can construct a credible project schedule and identify key routes by defining the order in which work should be completed. Then we have the resource allocation. Project managers must consider resource allocation during activity definition to enable seamless project execution. This entails identifying and distributing the resources needed or required for each task based on availability, abilities, and experience. Activity duration estimation. Estimating activity durations accurately is critical for good project planning. To estimate realistic timescales, project managers must examine elements such as complexity, historical data, expert judgment, and resource availability. Milestone identification. Milestones are important indicators of project progress. Project managers should define significant milestones during activity definition to track and assess project progress and ensure alignment with project objectives. Project managers get a strong knowledge of the basic role that activity definition plays in project planning and execution by digging into its definition, significance, and essential factors. Project teams may obtain increased clarity, resource optimization, efficient work sequencing, precise time estimation, and proactive risk management through good activity definition, resulting in successful project results. See you in the next lecture.